What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn customer reviews into marketing copy automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To turn customer reviews into marketing copy, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for turning customer reviews into marketing copy. So I'll click on customize right here, click on skills. Here, click on the plus icon right here. Then we're going to start by creating a skill. We're going to choose to create a skill using Claude. Here I'll hit enter to describe to Claude the skill I would like you to create. I'm going to tell Claude, create a voice of customer marketing copy generator skill that acts as an expert direct response copywriter, customer research analyst, and brand messaging strategist. The skill should analyze customer reviews, testimonials, survey responses, and other form of customer feedback to identify recurring pain points, desired outcome, emotional drivers, objections, benefits, and buying motivations. It should extract the exact language customers use and identify common themes, patterns, and phrases that can be leveraged in marketing. Based on these analyses, the skill should generate marketing assets that accurately reflect the voice of the customer while maintaining clarity, persuasiveness, and brand relevance. The skill should produce ad headlines, landing page value proposition, email subject lines, brand voice summary, and key customer insights and messaging themes. The final output should be a structured voice to customer marketing report that transforms customer feedback into ready-to-use marketing copy. So now to create our skill, I'm going to hit enter right here. Give it a second for you to create our skill for us. So here you can see it successfully created our skill for us. This is incredible. Here I'm going to choose to download it and install it. So now to install it, I'll click on customize again, go back to skills, and here we're going to upload the zip file that we just downloaded. And now you can see that our skill was installed, was uploaded successfully right here. We can go over the skill line by line to ensure it does exactly what we'd like it to do. Right here, this is incredible. Now, if you'd like to include some information to the skill or exclude some information from the skill, you can edit the skill. To do that, just click on the three dots right here, then click on edit with Claude. Then here you can describe to Claude exactly what you'd like to include to the skill or exclude from the skill. But since our skill works perfectly, we're going to use it to generate marketing copy from a list of reviews right here. To do that, we're going to use our skill. So I'll search for the skills that we just installed right here, which is the skill. Then I'm going to tell Claude, use this skill to analyze all customer reviews contained in this spreadsheet. So I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to customer review spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet here is where we're going to export our reviews and upload them to the spreadsheet right here. You can export your reviews from maybe Google Reviews or Trustpilot or any other similar tool. Then upload the reviews to a spreadsheet similar to this one right here. Then proceed to turn the reviews into a marketing copy. And now so here we're telling it review the customer feedback to identify recurring pain points, desired outcomes, emotional triggers, objections, benefits, buying motivation, and commonly used customer language. Then use the insights to generate 5 ad headlines, 3 landing page value proposition, 5 email subject lines, brand voice summary, key messaging themes, and key customer insights. Base all outputs on the actual language and the theme found in the reviews. Then they'll directly write the marketing copy and analysis into a Google Docs document and provide the shareable Google Docs link. Here, I'll hit enter and give Claude a few seconds for you to generate our marketing copy from our reviews. So here you can see it successfully analyzed our spreadsheet and got the customer reviews right here. Then it proceeded to generate a marketing copy from our customer reviews. To preview the marketing copy, I'm going to open this link. You can see the marketing copy that is generated from our 2 reviews right here. You can see the marketing, the voice of customer marketing report right here. Here's the executive summary. Here are the key customer insights and messaging themes. You can see the first theme, second theme, third theme, and the fourth theme right here. Here's the brand voice summary, ad headlines, landing page value propositions, email subject lines, and the raw language bank right here. This is incredible. So we successfully generated this marketing report that we can use in our ads from these customer reviews right here using the skill that we created right here in Claude. So you can try with a couple of more different reviews to generate a customer marketing report from a couple of more reviews. I've updated our spreadsheet with 7 new reviews right here. So now to generate our skill, I'm going to reuse our prompt, copy it and then paste it right here. Make sure you're using our skill. Here you can choose to include more marketing items that you'd like to generate. It could be a newsletter. You can include like a newsletter, blog post, social media post, whatever you want. But I like to generate 5 ad headlines, 3 landing page value propositions, 5 email marketing subject lines, brand voice summary, key messaging themes, and key customer insights. You can choose to include whatever you want. You can include landing page copy, whatever marketing items that you like to generate from the reviews can include right here. And then Claude will proceed to generate the marketing items for you. So now to generate more marketing items using our skill, I'll hit enter right here. Give it a few seconds for you to generate our marketing report for us. Oof. So here you can see we updated our spreadsheet with the 7 leads, the 7 reviews. And here grab the reviews and then generated the reports for us right here. So now let us open the link to preview the reports. Open our link here. You can see the new and updated customer marketing reports. Here's the executive summary. Here are the key customer insights and messaging themes. Here's the brand voice summary, ad headlines, landing page value proposition, email subject lines, and the raw language bank right here. This is really impressive. I like it. We successfully generated these customer marketing reports from these reviews automatically using this skill that we created right here in Claude. Let us try generating a couple of more items, different items from the reviews. So I've gone ahead and updated our spreadsheet again with a couple of more reviews from different customers. Let's use our skill to generate marketing items from the reviews. So I'll copy these prompts and reuse it right here. The same round, we can choose to generate ad copies. You can choose, let's say, 3 ad copies. So we can choose to generate 3 viral tweets, 5 email subject lines, brand voice, and here you can choose to generate 3 outreach emails. So here, let's ensure that it's going to use our skill. Then here I'm going to hit enter to generate our items from the reviews. You can see generated our marketing items right here, and I'll show you the link. Let's open the link. Now when we open our link, here you can see our customer marketing report with the key insights right here, the brand voice summary right here, the 3 ad copies right here, the viral tweets over here, email subject lines, and the outreach emails right here. This is really incredible. So we generated these marketing items from the reviews from our customers right here. This is really impressive. So I went ahead and updated our spreadsheet again with a couple of more new customers and new reviews. Let's try generating a couple of more items, marketing items from the reviews. So here I'm going to copy these instructions and paste them right here. Then you can tell Claude to generate now. You can tell to generate 5 ad copies. You can tell instead of tweets now you can generate LinkedIn posts. You can tell it 2 email newsletters. You can tell it landing page copy. You can tell it to generate 3. You can tell it to generate 5 ad copies, 3 viral LinkedIn posts, 2 email newsletters, landing page copy, and 3 viral Twitter threads. Yeah, I'm going to hit enter. Give it a few seconds for you to generate our marketing items from the reviews. You can see it successfully generated our items right here. So let us open this link to preview our marketing report. When we open our link, here you can see our marketing report right here. Here are the key customer insights. Here's the brand voice summary. Here are the ad copies, 5 of them. Here are the viral LinkedIn posts that is generated for us over here. Total of 3 posts. Here are the 2 email newsletters that we asked it to generate for us right here. Here's the landing page copy. Can use landing page. And lastly, here are the viral threads that we can post to the page. This is really incredible. So we generated these marketing items right here. So a viral Twitter thread, landing page copy, email newsletters, LinkedIn posts, ad copies, brand voice, and customer insights from these reviews using this skill that we created right here in Claude. This is incredible. So this is how you can generate a marketing report automatically from your customers' reviews using this skill that we created right here in Claude. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to automate manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.